Hey, welcome back to the Digital Toolbox. I'm glad you're here. We are just about to go over the new digital assistant. The new and improved assistant can do so many things, like search the web and write emails. Let me show you. I think I want to run down on the latest in the AI field. It's put together a short summary of a list of news articles, and it also gives me the source links. Isn't that cool? Next, I think I want it to write me an email that I can send my client. I am just about done with their website, and I just want to keep them updated. It works like magic. In hardly a minute, I have the perfect email to send to my client. And that's all I have for you in this video. Check out our other videos to learn how to use the toolbox to supercharge your business. Catch you in the next one.